Next we discussing about application of Doppler effect. What is the application of Doppler? First we discussing about the first application, the general expression for Doppler effect. General expression for Doppler effect. See, why are we taking this formula means when we have the number of conditions are there, the observer is at rest, source is moving, and the source is rest, observer can be moving. That is a two condition again, towards the source and away from the source. And here the general expression we can write f dash. F dash is nothing but to operant frequency. Operant frequency. F is equal to actual frequency. Actual frequency. See, f dash is equal to f into v plus or minus v naught by v plus or minus vs. V plus or minus v naught by v plus or minus vs. We know that what is that? V naught is nothing but to velocity of observer. Vs is nothing but to velocity of source. Now when we take the positive, when we are take the negative. See, that is the condition. Then since the plus v naught is moving toward the source, the source is at rest, but observer can be moved toward the source. That time we take the v naught is the positive. The v naught minus v naught is the moving away from the source. When we take it by this way, the observer can be moving away from the source, we take the minus v naught, and minus vs is moving towards observer, and plus vs is moving away from observer. See here the four condition. The plus v naught, when we are taken by there, it moves towards the source. Observer can be moved towards the source. Minus v naught, when we are taken by there, it is moving away from the source. Minus vs, the velocity of the source is taken the negative when it moves toward the observer, and plus vs is taken when it's moving away from the observer. This is the general expression. Now can write this is the Alice equations considered by that. Now the second point, the second application, velocity of wind. Wind means that is the air. The general formula. See here, f dash means again operant frequency is equal to f into v plus or minus vw plus v naught. Plus or minus v naught. V plus or minus vw plus or minus vs. Plus or minus vs. See, the general expression and here the wind of the expression both are will be same. The additional what is adding by there here the only vw. Vw is nothing but to velocity of wind can be adding by there. See, when we take it the positive, when we take it the negative. See here, the wind is blowing the sound propagation in the same direction. Now for example, the air is coming the x-axis and sound is coming also x-axis. That means that both of them having the same direction. That time we take the v plus vw, the velocity of sound plus velocity of wind. The wind is blowing the sound, the propagation opposite to the direction. For example, the sound wave is traveling along the positive direction, but the wind is coming in a negative of x direction. Both of them in a opposite direction. That opposite direction of the condition, what is taken by them? V minus vw. What is taken by the v minus vw. Next, see the third application. See what is given by the third application. Find change in frequency. What we can find here? Find change in frequency heard by the stationary observer. See, observer is at rest when source is in motion. We know the condition, the Doppler effect. In Doppler effect also, the same condition is there. The source is moving, observer is at rest. What is that? The source is moving, observer is rest. So this is the source. is moving. How much of the velocity is there? Vs. And observer is there here. Observer is at rest. At rest. That means V naught is equal to 0. See, this is the observer and this is the source. Source is moving Vs towards the observer. This is the towards and away from the observer. Away from the observer. See, we know the general expression. In Doppler effect, in general expression, what is the F dash is equal to F into V plus R minus V naught by V plus R minus Vs. See, already we see the condition. When the source is moves towards the observer, see what is taken by the Vs is nothing but the minus. And when is there, this is the towards. Away, what is taken by them? When is away is there, the Vs is equal to positive. And V naught is equal to how much is this? And a rest V naught is equal to 0. Substitute here, F dash is equal to F into V by V minus Vs. This is the source is moves towards the observer. F dash. This is considered F dash is nothing but considered F1. F1. Next, when source is moving away from the observer. See, observer means again V naught is equal to 0. Away means what is taken by the area? The Vs is equal to positive. What is taken by the positive? Again write it. This is considered the frequency. Consider F2 is equal to F into substitute. V is the again is the 0 by here the plus or minus means what is taken the plus? The V plus Vs. This is the two frequency. This is moving the when source is moves towards the observer. When the source is moving away from the observer. Therefore, change in frequency. Change in frequency is also is called the beats. What is called as beats? Beats is nothing but the number of frequencies time per the second. That is called the beats is equal to that is the delta F is equal to F1 minus F2. See right here the delta F is equal to F1 is equal to how much is there? F into V by V minus Vs plus minus V F into V by V plus Vs. Now in these two terms, which is taken the common? F into V take the common. See the F into V take the common. 1 by V minus Vs minus 1 by V plus Vs. Now take here the LCM. See this is taking here the LCM. Delta F is equal to FV into LCM we take the V minus Vs into V plus Vs. Now here coming by the V plus Vs minus V minus Vs. See here it is just like A minus B into A plus B. We know the trigonometry formula. A minus B into A plus B is equal to what we can write here in trigonometry? A square minus B square. What we can write is A square minus B square. Then we can substitute here the F into V plus Vs plus into minus into minus plus Vs by right here the V square minus Vs square. The plus V minus V gets cancelled. The remaining you can write the F into V. Vs plus Vs 2Vs divided by V square minus V square. Here the velocity of sound is greater than of velocity of source. Then velocity of source is neglected. neglected. Okay, neglected. Then we can write here this is the neglected. Remember what is that? 2 into f into v into vs by v square. Then 1v gets cancelled. The remaining we can write here the f2 f vs by v is equal to delta f. See, this is the frequency, the change in frequency heard by the stationary observer when source is in motion. So delta f is equal to 2f vs by v. Next is the fourth application. Find change in frequency heard by stationary source when observer in motion. It is the before topic. That is the third application. What do we say? The find the change in frequency heard by stationary observer is said when source is motion. It is the different kind. See, let us consider. This is the observer. What is considered this? Observer is moving with velocity is the v naught. Velocity is the v naught towards the source. This is the source. Source is at rest. Is at rest. Now this v naught is moves towards and away from the source and towards the source. See, away from the source. See, what is taken by them? The minus v naught. And towards the source, what is taken by the plus v naught, according to the general expression for Doppler effect. Again, take here the therefore general. Here the Vs is equal to 0. Vs is equal to 0. Therefore, general expression for Doppler effect. See, what is the f dash is equal to f into v plus r minus v naught by v plus r minus vs. Now it is condition. We can apply that towards the source and away from the source. Here the two frequencies there. Again we say the change in frequency. The first frequency consider f1 is equal to f into v. It moves towards the source. What is taken by the plus v naught by vs is the 0, means only is there v. This is a general expression with the towards. Next, away. When observer moves away from the source, what is taken by the v naught is the negative. That frequency f2 is equal to f into v minus v naught by v. Therefore, change in frequency is also is called as the number of beats per second. That is equal to delta f is equal to f1 minus f2. Right here the f1 and f2 values are there. Then delta f is equal to f1 is equal to how much is there? F into v plus v naught by v minus f2 is equal to how much is there? F into v minus v naught by v. Here what is taking the common? F by v. Take the common. Then v plus v naught plus into minus v minus plus v naught. So plus v minus v gets cancelled. Plus v naught, 2 v naught. We can write here the 2 v naught into f by v is equal to delta f. See, this is the change in frequency or the number of beats per second. How much is that? 2 v naught f by f. V. F is equal to frequency. V is equal to velocity of sound in air.